What can you deduct on your taxes as a self-employed contractor or business owner? Since I'm a financial planner as well as a tax pro, I'll start with my favorite one, SEP IRA contributions. You can deduct up to 20% of your net income or self-employment income into a tax-deferred SEP IRA. It works just like a deductible IRA, except the maximum contribution is $72,000 instead of just $7,500 for an IRA. Second, health insurance premiums if you pay them out of pocket, fully deductible. Third, home office expenses. If you have a dedicated workspace, you can deduct $5 per square foot up to 300 square feet, which makes the maximum deduction $1,500. There's another method for doing this that takes into account all of your household expenses, like property taxes, maintenance, utilities, even a small piece of what you paid for the house. But I find that to be very messy, and it doesn't come out better than the simplified method in most cases. Fourth, vehicle expenses. The standard mileage rate is usually the way to go. You can't deduct the mileage for commuting, but all other mileage is generally deductible. Fifth, travel to conferences and seminars. The flights and hotel costs are fully deductible. The meals have some limitations though. Sixth, office expenses like laptops and printers. There are some nuances with things like laptops and computers, but for the most part, you can write them all off in the first year. There are two other deductions that happen automatically in most tax softwares. One is the QBI deduction, sometimes called the Section 199A deduction, which is 20% of your net income, comes right off the top. The second one is half of your self-employment tax will be deducted on the regular part of your tax return. All of these deductions for self-employed people and business owners are impactful because not only does it reduce your taxable income, it also reduces your self-employment tax, which are taxes that fund Social Security and Medicare. If you want help minimizing your lifetime taxes or just have a tax question, schedule a call with me through the link in my bio.